As the economy continues to fluctuate, more and more people are realizing the importance of investing in and starting a business. Not everyone is able to realize that goal though. The most common challenge that gets in their way is the lack of business idea and capital to start the business they want. Sometimes, even if all the elements are present, the lack of business idea can make a business impossible. Today, we are sharing top 10 best businesses you can start and make money. Number 1. Manufacturing of healthcare, safety, and security products. According to market research, healthcare was projected to be one of the most profitable industries of last 5 years. Little wonder, especially given how many non-healthcare companies saw this and jumped into the sector. You can start making germ and virus protection lotions, hand-free contactless door opener tool, disposable gloves and surgical caps, digital infrared forehead screening machine, face shield, and so on. Number 2. Solar panel installation and maintenance business. Solar power simply keeps better technology for future business. The technology is advancing to the purpose wherever alternative energy won't simply be an excellent supply of fresh energy. It'll be a clear alternative for everybody. You need to be a certified solar panel installer before you install a system and be eligible for government rebates. Number 3. Custom phone cases business. There are more than 3 billion smartphone users in the world, and the number is increasing every day. Since everyone worries over the safety of their smartphone cases are one of the top-selling mobile phone accessories. As a result, mobile case sellers are raking in 6 figures income by selling smartphone cases in huge volumes. Number 4. Online teaching course. Online teaching course is another option that requires less investment and generates higher income. For this, one just needs to have thorough knowledge about the subject and personal website. Number 5. Become a copywriter. To become a good copywriter, you will need 2 ingredients: skill and patience. Practicing and training to become a better copywriter is worth it. Copywriters are highly needed professionals these days. Number 6. Tiny house making business. Living space is scarce. More homes are needed. Tiny houses, which can even be most profitable business you can start. Tiny house built with the right materials can last several years, even decades with regular maintenance. Number 7. Manufacturing natural products in healthcare, food, or selling any unnatural stuff is good business idea. Number 8. Sell industrial B2B products for high margins with little competition. Number 9. Do things Amazon can't, e.g. custom built items, like PC build, car, furniture, jewelry, and more. And number 10. Online reselling business. Starting reselling business means you buy and sell products for profit. Reseller business allows you to resell products purchased from manufacturers, and you can sell it to customers online. If you found this business ideas helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos.